the spark of dreams. A peaceful village rests under a starry sky, a fire crackling bright. Around this glowing hearth, stories come alive. The great crystal cave an elder begins, holds treasures deep within the mountain. Ava listens, her eyes shining with wonder, her dreams igniting with every word. Visual, Ava's wide-eyed face reflects the warmth of the fire. The elder continues as whispers of history and mystery fill the air. Ava's heart races. This isn't just a story. It's a calling, a map whispered by generations, guiding her to explore the world and uncover her potential. Ava looks at the stars, the wheels of adventure turning in her mind. Learning doesn't just happen in books or classrooms. It starts with curiosity, a spark. Like Ava, find the stories that ignite your passion, the knowledge that pushes you forward, and the courage to dream bigger than the world around you. Step forward and ignite your spark. Let curiosity be your guide, and let the fire of your imagination lead you to incredible adventures. What's your great crystal cave? Share your dream, and remember, every big idea starts with one small glowing flame.